Alright guys, look like I'm getting ready to do this rear brakes. According to the customer, I needed a rear brake shoes and a drum. So it look like this is fine. I don't see any problem with it. I already took this up right here, but let's check the other side, man. Oop, that's a problem. Yep, you're missing the hardware adjuster and the little clip broke off. That's why you're just dropping around like that. Brake noise. Oh yeah, see that right there? That thing's done. Oh no. Yeah, dude, look at this. Is this the noise you're hearing, Nick? Yeah, see that there? Yeah. What happened?
Keep working on it.
Oh.